Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the steps taken post the stampede tragedy in Mahakumbh, in which 30 people lost their lives. It was on Mauni Amavasya that you saw the stampede breaking out. 30 dead, over 60 injured. Over 8 crore people took a holy dip at the Sangam in 24 hours. And overall, till January 29th, over 27 crore people have taken the holy dip at Sangam. Now, post the tragedy, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has ordered a 3-member judicial investigation to be done. He called the tragedy unfortunate, said the stampede occurred because people broke through the barricades. He's also announced an ex gratia of 25 lakh rupees for the next of kin. The government has now imposed 5 key changes in place after the stampede at the Kumbh. A no vehicle zone at the Mela, all VIP passes being cancelled. A one-way route system for devotees has also been imposed. Vehicle entry is restricted. There are strict curbs, particularly for four-wheelers, and that will continue till February 4th. Politics has escalated, with the opposition accusing the Yogi government of mismanagement, saying that this was a result of the UP government prioritizing VIP culture and being unprepared for the massive crowds.
घटना दुखद है, मर्माहत करने वाला है। उन सभी परिजनों के प्रति हमारी पूरी संवेदना है।
एम्बुलेंस के माध्यम से लगभग 90 घायलों को अस्पताल तक पहुंचाया, परंतु इसमें से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण तरीके से 30 श्रद्धालुओं की दुखद मृत्यु हो गई है। इनमें से 25 की पहचान हो चुकी है और शेष की शिनाख्त की जानी बाकी है।
And let's get you, in fact, some of the testimonies that have come in from eyewitnesses who have recounted that horrifying ordeal that they went through during the stampede.
असामाजिक तत्व लोग है यहाँ पे, ये झंडा लाल झंडा लेके आया था और जानबूझ के ढकला है सबको, जानबूझ के।
कहा तुमने एक ढलान था, वहाँ पर खड़े थे, कुछ आदमी आया झंडा लेके, सब गिरा दिया, अचानक से गिर गया, और गिरे तो पटक गए, और मेरे ऊपर 10 आदमी खड़ा हो गया।
बचते नहीं,
आपके ऊपर कोई चढ़ गया था?
10 आदमी ज्यादा होगा। तब एक लड़का था, उसका बेल्टी पकड़े और हम उठे।
So 24 hours on, what changes have been made on the ground at the Mahakumbh to ensure no repeat of this kind of a tragedy? Gaurav Sawant takes you through all of the changes made by the administration.
Devotees who come in vehicles, all vehicles are being stopped on the outskirts of the Prayagraj area. Every sector commander has been directed, since this entire Mela zone has been divided into multiple sectors. Every Mela zone and sector in charge has once again been directed to ensure that there is no thronging of pilgrims. They do not congregate in any one area, especially along these tracks, because if you notice right now, after taking a bath at the Sangam, devotees get tired since they walked 8 to 10 kilometers. So especially the elderly and the children, they sit and then they start resting, and it restricts the movement of other pilgrims. So now very strictly sector in charges have been told no one will sit on or rest on the tracks that lead to the Sangam area and back, especially on big Snan days, the Mahaparvs and the Amrit Snan days. Basant Panchami is a very big Snan that's coming up on the 3rd of February. So all these restrictions will stay in place, and officers have been warned that strictest possible action as per law will be taken for any dereliction of duty. With cameraman Kripal Singh at Prayagraj, Gaurav Sawant for India Today. New rules being strictly enforced here in Prayagraj. This is the access towards Sangam, and vehicles are no longer being permitted to go from here at all. Every vehicle is now being stopped. Only police vehicles, emergency vehicles and vehicles of the administration will be permitted when officers or those who have to be there are there. No longer will families and relatives and jijas and sadhus and saas sasurs and rishtedars and samdhis be permitted even in official vehicles, especially on Amrit Snan days. That's point one. Point two, on the day of the Mahakumbh Amrit Snan of Mauni Amavasya, the state police was overwhelmed. However, this time just look around, two separate routes, one for entry and the other for exit. And here you can see how a police officer is helping a senior citizen to get to safety. One, no more relatives. Two, only administration and strict enforcement of the rule. Exit by one way, entry by the other way, and no one stays at Sangam or that area around after the Snan. Gaurav Sawant in Prayagraj for India Today.
Unfortunately, 30 devotees lost their lives in the stampede, and one among them was a 24-year-old Megha Hatrawat, a resident of Belagavi, and her mother. And just hours before the deadly stampede broke out, Megha actually had shared a video on social media talking about the chaos, the rush, and telling devotees to avoid visiting the Kumbh Mela, saying it's extremely crowded. Heartbreaking, really, that so many of them who were there for the auspicious occasion at Mahakumbh lost their lives, young, old, everyone, 30 lives in all.